High up in a big tree, there lived a little bird named Pico. Every day, Pico watched his brothers and sisters fly in the bright sky. They laughed and sang as their wings touched the sunshine, but Pico stayed in the nest. His tiny heart beat fast. "What if I fall? What if I can't do it?" he whispered. He wanted to fly so badly, but he was too scared. One morning, Pico's mother sat beside him. She smiled and said, "Pico, the sky is waiting for you. You'll never know how high you can go unless you try." Pico took a big, deep breath. He opened his little wings. Then he jumped. At first he wobbled and almost fell. But then the wind lifted him up. He was flying. Pico laughed and shouted, "I can do it. I can really fly." From that day on, Pico was never afraid again. Moral: you don't know what you can do until you try.